Hello everyone and welcome back to WP Food Manager. Today's topic is table reservation list for the restaurant manager or owner on the front side. So guys, I think that's a quite interesting topic. Let's dive right in. So guys, you need to go to WP Food Manager and I'm already in there. Then we need to go to restaurant dashboard first, and here we need to go to table reservations, then list. So here you can see the reservation dashboard. You can see the status of it, and here we have some icons that I need to explain to you. What are they, why are they here, what are they doing, and etc. So first one is this edit button. Just by clicking on it, you can change the reservation status, whether it is new, confirmed, waiting. For example, let's go with pending payment, and you can save changes basically, and here you can see the status will be changed. Then here we have this free line icon, and here when you are clicking on it, it opens more details about reservation. For example, the ID, customer name, email, contact, guests, and etc. So guys, here how you can do it. This was it. So guys, this was it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions concerning to the video, please let us know about them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. See you soon!